Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. A new learning program, Learn with Smart Way. It is the way how to get 10 by 10 in the board examination. Follow regularly and achieve your goal. Today I am going to explain one of the most important long answer type problem. We can expect like these problems in the board examination. Keep on watching, don't miss the video till the end. That will helpful for you. One more thing, I am requesting you, if you are watching first time of my video, just subscribe the channel. If you did not watch the previous videos, then do watch the previous video by clicking this I button. As well as you can go with playlist also. Quadratic equations, long answer type problem. If a class of 60 students, each boy contributed rupees equal to the number of girls and each girl contributed rupees equal to the number of boys. If the total money then the collected was rupees 1600. How many boys were there in the class? Let us see what is given in this problem. So if in a class of 60 students, so total in a class 60 students will be, in the 60 students in some are boys and some are girls. So number of boys we are taking as x. So total number of boys we are taking as x. So what about number of girls? So total 60 members are there. 62 we need to subtract, we are getting number of girls. Number of boys we took x, number of girls we are getting 60 minus x we are getting. So each boy means one boy is contributing the amount 1 into 1 by only 1 into, so how many number of girls are there, that much they are contributing, means it's 60 minus x. So one boy is contributing total number of girls, how many girls are there, that much they are contributing. For example I am saying, so 60 in example, this is 10 are boys, 50 are girls are there. So one boy is contributing rupees 50. So one boy is contributing, how many girls are there, that much they are contributing. So one girl is contributing, how many boys are there, that much they are contributing, means 10 rupees they are contributing. Now here each boy how much they are contributing, 1 into 60 minus x. Total boys how much they are contributing? So total boys are here x into 60 minus x. So boys amount we got here x into 60 minus x. Now each girl how much they are contributing? Each girl contributing the amount is number of boys how much there, that much they are contributing, means one girl into number of boys are x. So total contributed amount by the girls equal, so how many girls are there? 60 minus x girls are there. Each girl is contributing x rupees. So total girls contributed that amount is 60 minus x into x. Let us see the solution. Total number of students in a class equal to, so how many students are there? 60 students. So here we don't know the how many girls, how many boys. So we are taking boys, we are taking x. Let number of boys in a class equal to x we are taking. So here number of boys we are taking x means, what about number of girls? Total strength will be 60. In that x members are boys. So what about girls? So 62 we need to subtract x. Boys one we need to subtract. So number of girls in a class equal to 60 minus x. 60 minus x. Given, what is given? Money contributed by the boys equal boys, total boys how many? X boys into each boy how much he is contributing, how many girls are there, that much they are contributing, means 60 minus x. Now you can multiply x into 60, 60x minus x into x, x square. Again given, this is also given one only, money contributed by the girls equal total girls 60 minus x into how many boys are there, that many they are contributing, each girl that many contributing. So how many boys are there? X boys. Now you can multiply 60 into x, 60x minus x into x, x square. According to the problem, total money contributed by the class, here I am writing by the class, equal 1600 rupees 1600. So total money contributed by the class means in that boys and girls. So boys plus girls equal 1600. So boys how much they contributed? So 60x minus x square plus girls how much they contributed, that is 60x minus x square equal 1600. So 60x plus 60x, that is, here I am writing 120x minus x square, both are minus, you can add it, x square plus x square, 2x square equal 1600. Now this total terms you can transpose to this left side one, you can transpose to right. So we are transposing means LHS we can get 0 equal 1600 minus 2x square becomes plus 2x square, plus 120 becomes minus 120x. Now you can write in the order 2x square minus 120x plus 1600 equal to 0. So here 2x square minus 120x plus 1600 equal to 0. In this LHS we need to take 2 as a common. 2 you can take the common, x square minus 260 is a 120 x plus 2 800 is a 1600 equal to 0. This 2 you can transpose, x square minus 60x plus 800 equal 0 by 2. So x square minus 60x plus 800 equal 0. Now we need to take the factorization. So how we can take the factorization? What is the coefficient of x square? As it is. So the coefficient of x square is 1. Constant term is 800. 1 into 800, 800 how we can write it? 40 into 20. 40 into 20, 800. So here this 60 you can write minus 40x minus 20x type we can write it. So x square minus 40x minus 20x plus 800 equal 0. Up to here this is in these two terms and here two terms. So first bunch in, what is the common? X as common. So here x square in one x we took common means x is remained, minus x we took the common means 40, minus here 20 you can take the common, 20 we took the common means here x remained, minus we took common. So minus we took common means you can change the signs, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. So here we are getting minus, minus into minus plus. So 20 40 is a 400 equal to 0. Now here x minus 40, here also x minus 40. Total you can take the common x minus 40. So what is remained here? X, here minus 20 equal to 0. Now 0 individually you can write it. X minus 40 equal to 0. X minus 20 equal to 0. This minus 40 you can transpose. So x equal 40 and x equal minus 20 becomes plus 20. We got here x values are 2. So x value is 40 and x value is 20. Now you can take, if x equal 40, x value we are taking as a 40. Therefore, the number of boys in a class equal x equal 40. Number of girls in a class 60 minus x equal 60 minus 40, that equal 20 we can get. Next here we took x equal 40 we took. Now next time you can take x value 20 you can take. So if x equal 20, number of boys in a class x equal 20, and one more step, last step, number of girls in a class 60 minus x equal 60 minus 20, that equal 40. Dear students and viewers who need this video, please share. It will helpful for others also. Suggest them to subscribe the channel. I hope like these problems are very clear for you. Practice well and we will meet in the next video. Don't forget like and comment. Don't forget subscribing the channel. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.